A bust down middle part is always gonna do what it needs to do. Let's get into this.
She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it.
So this came in the mail and I take her out the box, and it is a orange box from Wiggins Hair. I love when a new wig comes in the mail, and so we're gonna open her right on up, and inside our new wig is packaged so beautifully and secured. It says HD lace small wig cap 26 inches. I wanted her long, baby. We did get some goodies inside of our box, like a scrunchie, a edge control brush, a lace band so our lace is laid, and then a duster bag so you can put your wig in it to store it. But let's go ahead and open up and get to the good stuff. This wig comes pre-curled. These curls are juicy. They're amazing. I just wanted to get into them and run my fingers through it. The wig looks so good already, but let's see what the lace is looking like, because the lace, that's important. Yes, the lace needs to already look like butter. The hairs need to be plucked. The bleach needs to be already on. So when I put her on, she's already going to melt perfectly into my skin. So this unit right here, I was super excited to go ahead and put her on. So this is the standard of how I would want my HD lace to come. Like, this is perfect lace. So I'm gonna go ahead and head over to my salon chair so my stylist can get me right. But let me just show you what this looks like on my head, fresh out of the package, fresh out of the box. You can do this at home. I'm just getting that extra TLC today because I don't know how to braid my own hair. So my stylist went ahead and braided me up, and now she's about to glue me down. That lace looks so good. But okay, so now we're going through the glue process. I'm gonna speed this up. You know, don't put too much glue, thin layer, and then let it dry. Then you want to do another layer and let it dry. Take your time. Go slow with it. Go slow with it, as she's doing right here.
Yeah. What's the worst case scenario? Plan out in your head how it's all gonna go. So you think you got it covered, but there's always something new that you discover you've not thought about. You can never figure out every possible outcome, and you're so scared you'll get it wrong. Have a good time, but a worry after. Petrified, what they think I'm awkward. When your brain's wired for disaster, even good things leave a bitter taste. Try to calm down, thoughts spinning faster. Terrified, hide it with laughter. When your brain's wired for disaster, even good things leave a bitter taste. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste. Something unexpected happens, you can't let it go. Caught up in your own distractions. You already know that you're gonna think about this for a while. While you try not to lose your mind, not to believe the lies that you tell yourself, that you tell yourself. Have a good time, but a worry after. Petrified when they think I'm awkward. When your brain's wired for disaster, even good things leave a bitter taste. Try to calm down, thoughts spinning faster. Terrified, hide it with laughter. When your brain's wired for disaster, even good things leave a bitter taste. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste. Worry won't change the outcome, but I've been doing this for so long. My brain keeps signaling danger, although I know that I'll be just fine. Worry won't change the outcome, but I've been doing this for so long. My brain keeps signaling danger, although I know that I'll be just fine. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste.
If you love baby hairs on your lace, give this video a thumbs up. If you're a no baby hair girl, let me know in the comments. But on this unit, we're going to get some baby hairs. We need just a few. So she had to take out that hot comb to go ahead and sizzle us down some baby hairs. She took out 4 places for baby hairs, and this is just how she does it. I like units with baby hairs or non-baby hairs, but listen, let me know what's your favorite. But on this one, we're going to get some baby hairs on swim. So this is how she does it. She is actually about to put the band on again and make them baby hairs stay down because we want them to be looking good. So she's gonna put them down one last time.
We're in trances, going all to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive, get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, you like when you feel caught in midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you'd cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know? I'd go. We only got this life, no guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. Hiding it by myself, no guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know? I'd go, but
What a beautiful transformation with Wiggins Hair wig. This is the 26-inch. You see how long that hair was. Even with putting layers in, the hair is still giving long hair, middle part bust down baddie. This is like the standard go-to wig for the girls, okay? This is like just on the everyday bed head, put some flexi rods in, a light curl going out, like the low maintenance baddie wig. So I'm going to have the link to this unit in the description box. Let me know if you guys like it with the baby hairs. This, as you guys know, the lace was really, really good on this wig. Really, really good. So if you want to do the non-baby hair look, this lace going to melt. And then this is just how full it is from the back because I had to give you that shot with the curls. And these curls do last because this unit is just made to perfection like that. So I'll have the links down below and I'll see you in the next one.
You said you want a bad one. Well, baby, I'm as bad as they come. Said you want a hot one. Yeah, you with the hottest under the sun. But be careful what you wish for. Make you eat your words. If I'm more than what you bargain.